Okay, babies? If you're hungry and you know it, say meow. If you're hungry and you know it, say meow. If you're hungry and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hungry and you know it, say meow. Totally stole that from Daddy. There you go, babies. Ho ho ho, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. It is the 1st of December. How is it December already? It is the 1st of December and it is the first of my 12 days of Vlogmas, my 12 days of Vlogmas, because I just can't do it every single day. And 12 days seems reasonable for you and for me. Dale said some very interesting things in her recent Why She's Not Doing Grinchmas this year about the amount of time it takes to actually watch the videos that everyone puts out. Now, I'm not opposed to this. I do catch up on Vlogmas videos and sometimes I watch them well into January. I think I've even touched February before, just to catch up and see what everyone's been doing. If you only have time for 3 YouTubers, I'm obviously one of them, to catch up with their Vlogmases, then it's me, obvs, because hello, I'm here. And the Queen of Vlogmas herself, Ms. Autumn Beckman. Her Vlogmases are just out of this world. They are ram-packed full of content. So watch her and also watch Meredith, Living Lux with Meredith. Watch her Collectionmas, because she's not making coffee. She's not doing all of those things. She's not going to do a food shop. She is taking you through her vast luxury handbag and SLG collections, one a day throughout the 24 days leading up to Christmas. So yes, that is Vlogmas, 12 days from me. Autumn, I believe she'll be doing every day like she usually does. I'm waiting for her video to come out, but I've got Meredith's video from last night, her first Collectionmas day 1. They're a little bit ahead of us because Antipodean in it. So I've primed up her video so I can watch it, because the first thing to do today is try and make this look a bit more Christmassy. It's not looking Christmassy at all, is it? No, so we need to do that. We need to do that. Once I've got my shelves decorated, we will go through things like advent calendars and stuff. And I'll tell you what I'm doing and what I'm not doing this year. And what else will be coming up? Fingers crossed if all goes to plan. I'm going to be talking about the weather a lot, I should imagine, because the temperature has dropped. It is freezing. I don't generally wear cardigans in the house, and I've got this massive Somerset by Alice Templey one on that I've had for a couple of years now. He's here. He's going to be keeping an eye on proceedings. It is T-Rex Turkey! He loves a bit of Vlogmas, and you love a bit of him. It's not my best work. I wondered, there was so much stuff that I couldn't find from previous Vlogmases, and I think it's because last year I just had a tiny little table set up where my chair is, there, and then Vlogmas was entirely in that one little space. I had a few little casualties trying to do this. I've got a couple of things, Carl's on the floor, a couple of bags are on the floor, but yeah, not my finest work. Decided just to do lights and tinsel and my stockings, and then over here where I've got my mirror, Yes, I dressed up for the occasion. Got my mirror, I've got this lovely multicoloured tinsel. There we go, all the way over the top of the mirror. Drunk tree, it's just down there, just chilling. And here is most of my homemade advent calendar. And I decided to go homemade advent calendar this year because there were things that I wanted to get for myself. And there are reasons behind all of these things. And every day when we open it, I will go through that with you. I didn't get myself a shop bought advent calendar this year because frankly, I couldn't find one I liked the look of. I did the Harrods 12 Days of Perfume advent calendar last year, which was a big outlay. I loved the perfumes, but I haven't even scratched the surface of those. I don't like the beauty advent calendars because there's so much that I just don't use. Chocolate ones seemed to be just for the sheer sake of it, so the only shop bought calendar we got this year is this Lily's Kitchen calendar for Daisy and Lily. Now this is a 24-day calendar. I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas, so for my maths that works out to be 2 times 12 treats in here. I was going to get them one each, but frankly they get enough treats. They're already on the turkey and cranberry Licky Lixes, which are going down an absolute storm, so hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of that, but they basically inhale those, so they're gone pretty quickly. The homemade advent calendar, let's count the pieces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're missing 3 pieces. Harrods, John Lewis, pull your fingers out. I ordered them ages ago. Where are they? I definitely feel like there's enough room there for a sort of half height up to here. Kind of pink Christmas tree maybe. I'll have to look into that. Right, let's get into the first advent calendar piece, and it is this red one over here. Reusing some gift bags because I like to do that. I'm very conflicted when it comes to wrapping. I love wrapping presents, but I don't like the waste. So the first thing on the advent calendar, the homemade advent calendar is... it is a pink Christmas jumper. Let's get it on. Oh wait, hold on. I wanted to tell you about it first. I picked this up in Tesco. This is Florence and Fred, and it is recycled polyester, and it was 16 Great British pounds, and it's pink. Okay, that's better. Feeling a little bit more Christmassy now. So what else is going to be happening through Vlogmas? Well, our local village, the village we live in, has its own little Christmas fete, little Christmas festival. So we're going to be going to that. I shall be vlogging that. We're going to try and hit up some Christmas markets. There may be a trip into London around my birthday. And just loads of things, If you're good, I might even throw in some cats and a lion for you. Let's have a look at the lights. Daisy, can I interest you in one of these? Can I? Right, where's number 1? Number 1 for Daisy cats. There's number 1. Are you going to be number 1? Are you going to be number 1? Come on then, let's try it. Daisy. Ooh. Oh, hello, Lily. Okay. It's a whole set of treats. Lily. Oh, beautiful baby girls. Come on, Daisy. Thank you. Lily. Good baby. Uh-oh, this is an odd number. Thank you, Daisy. That's it for number 1. Where's number 2? Thank you, Lily. Number 2's up here. Oh, yay! You get to go first this time, Lily. Oh, does it smell good? Hey? Don't lick that. No, come on, baby. She's got a face in there. Come on. Oh, yes. Daisy, one for you. Good girl. Lily, one for you. Good baby. Daisy, easy now. And Lily, this is the last one. Oh, is that good? Did we like that? These clever babies. Put that there. Yeah. That went so much better than expected. I can't leave that there. I'm going to have to find somewhere elevated to leave that. But I am so impressed with how well that went. They're cats. They're not dogs. Trying to get them to do anything you want you're fighting a losing battle.